Do you know many people are having trouble with adjusting their font size on the Brother HL-2240D printer? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Press Menu button. Start by pressing the Menu button on your Brother HL-2240D printer's control panel. Step 2. Navigate Print Settings. Navigate and locate the Print Settings option. Hit the OK button. Step 3. Select Font Size. Find and select the font size option, then press OK. Step 4. Confirm font choice. Choose your preferred font size from the listed options. Navigate and confirm your choice by pressing OK. Step 5. Exit Print Menu. To apply the new font size, exit the menu by hitting the Stop/Exit button. Step 6. Perform test print. Lastly, do a test print to verify the new font size. With these simple steps, you should now be able to comfortably adjust and increase font size on your printer. Enjoy clear and larger prints. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Brother users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.